unforeseen tragedy. Turn to our panel again, and Joey, I'll start with you. This is an interesting case. At the end of it, the mother then turns through her defense attorney, blames the father. She's also charged with failing to act in this case.
You know what happens, Kimberly? Now, this is a tough case, of course, because whenever you're dealing with children, and you're talking about not even an infant, 10 weeks old.
10 weeks,
and you're talking about multiple fractures, 37 fractures, and all the rest of it. And so certainly, this culpability with the mom. Now, just to be clear, of course, the father will have a trial of his own. His trial will start in January, and it's widely believed that he's the individual that inflicted the blow. And the mother, of course, the prosecution underlying that is her failure to seek medical attention and treatment in the proper and appropriate way. Now, in focusing on this case from a defense perspective, and she's already been convicted, of course, and faces sentencing, I believe, from 16 to 46 years. But at the end of the day, what you want to try to establish, which apparently they didn't, is that, listen, she may have been aware that the child was injured, but not to the severity and not to the extent in which the child was actually injured. Apparently, I don't know whether the attorneys didn't highlight that or do what they needed to do with that, but that needed to be the focus. The last thing I'll say, Kimberly, is this, is that the problem you even have with that defense is that, look, when a child sneezes, a mother gets concerned.
Sure.
And so certainly when there are bruises or other things that would indicate that the child is in distress, you don't call the family physician, you take the child to the emergency room, okay?
Yeah, and